In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Subway coupon or promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com and in the search box enter Subway promo code and hit on search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo codes. You can open up any of that website, and here you can scroll down to see the list of that promo codes, and you can always get into some promo code. Just hit on that to see the promo code. You can double tap there and then copy it to clipboard, and then you can move to Subway website and there buy their stuff. But don't forget to use the promo code before you pay here any money and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back on that site or another site and from here try to use another promo code. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.